my channel. So today I have a very exciting unboxing for you, a Van Cleef item, a very special item. But before we get into that, let me introduce myself. My name is Tamika, and here on my channel I cover topics on fashion, lux for less, and the occasional lifestyle content. So if that sounds like topics that you would enjoy, consider hitting that subscribe button down below, along with that notification bell so you can never miss an upload. But first, a word from our sponsor. Today's video was in partnership with Luisa, a sustainable fine jewelry brand based in New York, and I absolutely love their pieces. All of their pieces are made from 100% recycled gold and silver, and the best part is the affordability, because with pieces starting at $39, there is something on the site for everyone. I have partnered with them in the past in previous videos where they've gifted me pieces, and I wanted to give you guys just a quick updated wear and tear and how those pieces are holding up. So first we're going to start with my most worn favorite piece, and the piece I've had the longest, and that is this chain link bracelet. It kind of resembles a watch band without the watch, so it gives it a little bit of edge, and that's what makes it my favorite piece. It's held up really well, no tarnishing. The chain is comfortable to wear. It doesn't bite at my skin. I don't wear it in the shower or anything like that, but I do take it off and put it on quite a bit. And I would say I wear this at least 2 to 3 times a week. It goes really well with my casual outfits, and I absolutely love it. Moving on to a pair of, well, they're not a set, but a pair of earrings that I wear as a set, and they are these Huggy hoops. Both are 14 karat gold plated, with the Huggy in my back piercing being cubic zirconia, but the sparkle is good. I wear these every single day. I have rarely taken them off. The front Huggy I take on and off, but they still have worn the same. I'm pretty sure water has touched them because I really do not take them off, and they have held up really well. And on to my most recent piece, which is this herringbone necklace. This is my second favorite piece, and I really like this because it's really subtle and understated, but it really adds something extra to my outfits. I'm going to insert a photo of me wearing it recently, and I thought that it was really good neck candy for that particular outfit. And I'm also going to insert some footage of a few new pieces that I picked up, which are a gold and silver plated pair of earrings that I really can't wait to wear. And because each metal is cared for in a different way, I'm going to link to the landing page of their care instructions for each of their metals. And while you're down there in the description box, also click the link to shop the Ana Luisa site, where while you're shopping, enjoy 20% off with code TSTYLED20. Here's the item in question. It is in this beautiful white bag, the signature Van Cleef bag. And I wanted this item for quite a while. If you watch my 2022 luxury wish list, and if you haven't, I'll link to it up here. This item was on that wish list. If you've already watched this, you know what I'm talking about. But I've been wanting this for quite some time, and I got it around Christmas. So this is not really an unboxing, it's more of a reveal. So I'm a little late, but let's get into it. I am going to insert some footage of me unboxing it because I did do a official unboxing on TikTok, but it comes with a travel pouch, and I actually have 2. I don't know why I have 2, but I have 2. It comes with a ribbon. It comes with the paper and the wrapping and like the receipt and all that and the paperwork, but I didn't feel like you guys would be interested in any of that, so I just got straight into it. Then it comes in a white box to reveal the item, which you can probably tell is a bracelet. And if you are all over social media, you'd probably already know what this item is anyway, as far as the item itself, but the color is probably what will surprise you if you haven't watched my wish list video. But to reveal the Van Cleef vintage 5 motif Alhambra bracelet in the blue agate color. So can we take a second to just take in all of the packaging, the beautiful packaging and the presentation, down to this suede box and how it has the Van Cleef logo stamped into it, even down to the box that it came in, the box that revealed the box. I just love it. Like, I'm in love with the packaging and the presentation. Even with the travel pouch, I believe this can be used as a way to clean your bracelet as well, from what I'm told. I don't have a cleaning cloth, so what I think you'll be able to do is put your bracelet inside and then kind of just use this to kind of go around the stone and clean it. But love this, and it's been on my wish list for a while. So I know the Alhambra, vintage Alhambra bracelets are trending, and vintage is referring to the size of the stone. This is the middle size, which is the vintage, and then they have the smaller, which is the sweet, and the magic, which is the larger one. But I've been wanting this bracelet for quite some time. I know it was on my 2022 luxury wish list, but I've known that I wanted this bracelet ever since I purchased the sweet, and I do have the sweet in the mother of pearl. And I purchased this back in 2019, and I always knew that I wanted the bigger size, well, the 5 motif bracelet, but I just didn't quite know which stone, which color stone. They have like onyx, mother of pearl, carnelian, I think that's how you say it. They have a bunch of different stones, but none of them spoke to me. So I knew I didn't want another mother of pearl because I already had the mother of pearl in the sweet size. And onyx was okay. Carnelian I really wasn't feeling, but then I saw the blue agate and I knew I wanted it. So yeah, even though it's really trending right now and you see them everywhere, I've been wanting this for quite a while before it was really on the scene. And I had my first one back when they weren't really as popular. And I'm really excited to wear it. I feel like it's gonna go so good with a lot of my different outfits. It's really, really pretty up against the arm, and I just love it. Like, I don't know the gram or the weight of the gold or anything like that. If you want to know that, leave me a question in the comments and I'll be sure to answer. But it's a nice weight. It's not too heavy. You can kind of see through the stone a little bit, which makes it even the more interesting. I love this. This is one of the more hard wearing stones. So I believe mother of pearl is one of the softer stones, and it goes from soft to hard, and I think that the blue agate is right above onyx. So there is the carnelian, which is the hardest, onyx, and then blue agate, if I'm not mistaken, which just means that it's a little bit more durable. So some of their other stones, like I said, the mother of pearl, it's a softer stone, so it is more likely to get damaged, whereas this stone is a little bit more hard wearing. Before we get into how I will stack this bracelet with my Cartier Small Love, let me just say price increases. I'm going to briefly touch on price increases. So much like everything else in the world, especially in the luxury world, prices are going up. So if you're thinking about buying anything luxury really, but if you're thinking about buying this bracelet, don't hesitate. Whether it be this one or any of the other stones, they vary in price depending on the stone you choose. But whether it be retail or pre-love, the prices have gone up. So do not wait. Get yours today, girl, because you just never know. You're gonna wake up tomorrow and the price then shot to the roof again. So with that in mind, let's get into how I will stack it with my Small Love bracelet. It is the size down from the original size. It's the thinner version. I think at one point it was referred to as the Free Love. I just call it the Thin Love. It is in the size, I think mine's in the size 18. And I am going to be wearing the sweet mother of pearl Alhambra, and then I will be stacking it with the vintage blue agate, and that will make my stack. I'm going to insert some close-ups so you can see just how this is going to look together. I think it's going to be cute. I do have some concern about the love because mine does move up and down my arm. I do have some concern that it may or could potentially scratch my vintage Alhambra. I'm hoping not. I don't know. I really won't know until I start wearing it. I haven't really been wearing it out of the house or anything. I haven't really been anywhere to wear it, so I don't know yet. It hasn't damaged my sweet, but this one's really small. The face of this is really small and it goes over my sweet with no issues. But with this, in this case, I'm afraid it might scratch. Am I worried about scratching? Yeah and no. I really don't want to damage the stone. I know you can get it fixed, but I don't think it's free. And I don't know. We'll see. If I do find that it's scratching or doing any damage, I will then switch. I'll wear this one on my other wrist by itself, because either way I think it's really pretty by itself or stacked with my love. And I do plan on adding to my stack, hopefully the Justin Clue, and all of that stacked together. I'm not sure how that will weigh up against this bracelet, being as though it's a little sensitive. But that is the unboxing or the reveal of my blue agate vintage Alhambra. I haven't worn it really yet, so I can't really say to give you a real good review or anything like that, but as soon as I've been wearing it for a while, I will come back and do a review and answer all your questions that you have. Leave them in the comments of, you know, wear and tear, the quality, and all those good things that we like to know before purchasing. And yeah, I'll be back with a more detailed review. So that wraps up today's video. Guys, don't forget to check out Ana Luisa. Click the link in my description box and use code TStyled20 for 20% off your purchase. If you wish to connect with me further, you can head over to my Instagram at tstyled_, where you can see me style my bracelet stack, my cute outfits, and a whole lot more. Thanks for watching.